In this video, we will show you how to erase part of an image in Canva. Firstly, open the canva.com website on your browser. Log into your Canva account and start a new design or open an existing one where you want to edit an image. Click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side of the editor to upload an image from your computer. Now select any of the images you want to edit. You will see a toolbar appear at the top of the editor with various editing options. Click on the background remover shown on the left side of the screen. Now you can slide your picture anywhere. You can adjust the background remover by clicking on the 3 on the BG remover. You have to select the brush or restore your picture. You can also adjust the brush size of your need. Choose the erase option and enable the show original image option. Choose the brush size 50 and now start erasing the unwanted things from the image. Once you have erased the desired parts of the image, click on Apply button in the editing toolbar to finalize the changes. After that, it will be removed and you can adjust the image according to your choice. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.